After performing regular maintenance on any vehicle, you'll want to reset the service reminder indicator in the instrument panel. Today, I'm going to show you how to perform the reset two different ways. The reset can be performed directly in the vehicle using the steering wheel controls or by using an iSCAN device. Let's take a look at the procedures on this 2022 C300 W206. This also applies to W223 chassis. All doors in the engine hood have to be closed with ignition in position 1. Position 1 is a single press of the start-stop button. Press and hold the home button on the steering wheel left keypad for 10 seconds, then release. Then immediately press the OK button for 5 seconds. When released, the workshop menu will appear in the center of the instrument display. Scroll to the Assyst Plus menu. Press OK. Press the start button one more time to enter ignition stage 1, ignition position 2. Scroll to full service. Press OK. Scroll to confirm service. Press OK. Select the oil quality. Press OK. Confirm service, scroll to yes. Press OK. Read and confirm message, press OK. You will receive a confirmation message. The mileage displayed may not reset until next ignition cycle. For convenience, you can quickly reset the service reminder indicator using your iSCAN device. Before beginning, be sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Euro. Tap Mercedes-Benz. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Mercedes-Benz. Tap Auto Detect Vehicle. Confirm the vehicle is correctly identified. Press Enter to continue. Tap Service Reset Oil Change. Press Enter to continue. From the drop-down menu, select the oil quality. Tap OK to confirm. Service reset is performed. Read and confirm message. Press Enter to continue. The mileage displayed may not reset until next ignition cycle. See our other videos for more helpful Mercedes-Benz procedures.